Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is about Practical Wireless Magazine. This is June 1957. I think I've done May and July. I don't know where I caught this one out. I've got gloves on because it's showing a little bit of mould here. I don't know if it is mould or whatever it is, but yeah, Practical Wireless cost 1 shilling and 3 pence. Remember, 240 pennies to a pound in the old days. So there we go, let's have a little quick look through it. There's all your speakers and your home radios of Mitcham. I think that's in Surrey or London. Oh, it's Surrey, yeah, look, Mitcham, Surrey. Your Armstrong PB 409 radio. See it there? Some nice old stuff there. Chime light, whatever that is. What's chime light? This is a half light as well as a double chime, and you can make it in a couple of evenings for a total of only 19 shillings and 6 pence, including instruction post, etc. I like to try and read it quicker, but I'm reading it through the phone as I'm trying to hold it up. So yeah, mains transformers for sale. Anyone needs a transformer? There you go. A lot of old stuff. High gain amplifier. Seen this in the other two magazines. They're obviously advertising all the time. New, the practical way of learning radio, television, electronics. Complete experimental courses in science and technology. And there's the EMI Institute. So I should imagine you'd have paid money, gone down there, apply for it there, and choose your course, and then off you go. Couple of radios there. Where's that? That's the new Mullard House at night, showing the 88 foot long glass windows. Wow, new store. Look how big the electrical stores used to be in Torrington Place. Officially opened in April at Torrington Place. Bit of old time office furniture there with lighting. Remember, this is 1958, is it? 57. 1957. And here we go into the schematics and plans. How to build stuff. The new PW Hi-Fi tape recorder. It gives you drawings and everything, how to start making things. You've got to love all this old stuff. Plans for radios there. What's this? Northern Polytechnic lectures. Go to a few lectures and watch them. This is really, these sort of times is when it was really just took off. This is what it was all about here, these years. Now it's just like, get on the net, order yourself a radio or TV, breaks down in a year, sling it in the bin. These days, you wouldn't have been slinging nothing in the bin. If you couldn't fix it, you'd have been selling it. Selling any components off. An electronic timer. There's how you build it. There's the schematics. And there's a list of components you need. Where are you going to get that now, eh? You've got to fight to get schematics off a company now. There's a list of shops and stuff. Little adverts. And this is all from Radio and Component Specialist, White Horse Road in West Croydon. Open all day, Wednesday 1 PM. 10-page list, 3D. You had to pay for your list. Here it is. Here it is, a superb add-on converter. £5, 12 shillings and sixpence. Cash on delivery is 1 shilling and 6 extra. Plus 2 shillings, 6 pence postage and packaging. Wow, look at these. Got to get yourself one of these. Tape transcriptor. The audio fair. An account of some of the exhibits at this year's Hi-Fi exhibition. Starting a service department. Notes by a service engineer for those who wish to start a servicing business. There's the tools you need and a few of the test equipment. This is Build Your Workshop. Amazing stuff this. Some more bench drill. The old tools, that one-sided grinder. Why wouldn't you have a two-sided grinder? If the motor's turning, just have a two-sided grinder. Vice. There's going to be your power for all your different kinds of sockets, plugs. Shortwave section. The amateur communication receiver. There's the back of it on the insides. There we go, we found another little card. Look at this one. Reference book. Radio Television Engineers Reference Book. If you want to order it, it's at George Nunes Limited, 66 to 69 Great Queen Street, London, WC99. Postage will be paid by George Limited. No postage stamp necessary. Over 1,600 pages crammed with information to meet your everyday needs. 45 main sections. 1,860 diagrams. 2,500 cross references. Most up-to-date work of its kind in existence. Written by 36 specialists, radio and television engineers. No obligation for a 7-day free examination. Judge for yourself. Don't forget to order that. It's nice finding them in there. Found the Butlins one in there the other day. Have a look at them, go through them. It's more the same stuff as what I'm doing now, but it's still, this one smells quite funny as well. It smells a little bit damp, this one. Well, it could be where I've glued this part here. This is going to be another video. Communications receiver. Transistor circuit application, look. See, it shows you everything. Guaranteed valves. They must be second hand. unless you order them, and then if they don't work, to take them back and replace them. Everything was valves, wasn't it, them days? Yeah, look. Potted coils, yeah. Osmore. 6th edition. Bentley Acoustic Corporation Limited. Wanted, qualified men and women. EMI Institute. Must be big teaching there if they were looking for people. This summer's portable record player. RISF quality reproduction. There's your little transistor pocket radios. That's what I'm on the lookout for now, a few little pocket radios. I want to start looking to service them and make them, but you don't see them anymore. Some more test equipment and valves. Is that a car radio or an FM tuner? FM tuner. Looks like a car radio. That's what you don't really see a lot of there. Car radios in here. I did it myself. Get the Rodding Home Constructor's Handbook. Open to discussion. First class radio courses. Massive business this, wasn't it? Electronic business. Absolutely massive. Like half the world was involved. Famous German AM/FM chassis. And you think this was only, what, 45? So this is only 12 years after the Second World War finished. The stock in German things, you think they would have not bothered. Draftsman. Little job going there. Greater soldering efficiency, light soldering development, radio valve supply. Here we go, last couple of pages. Coventry Radio, component specialists. Cabinets and hi-fi equipment. Oscilloscope, miniature type. Is that the eye, is it? Portable test panels. Trace the trouble in a trice. Radio meter. And there's the blueprint services. The same on the other side. And that is the Practical Wireless, June 1957. Thanks very much for watching. See you on the next one.